He's just a good old boy who loves burning rubber and driving fast.
Hard to believe I'm in an airport, right? Just a little while ago, I was in Dallas. Now I'm in Oklahoma City. We're going to do a sponsor event tomorrow. You'll probably see some of that. Currently, good old Oklahoma City is cold outside, waiting on my bags. Off and running. Let's go. All right, y'all, we are at Thunder Valley Raceway, Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are here with a bunch of folks. They're kind of roaming around here with Schluter Systems. Kind of a employee day here at the racetrack on our way to Vegas. What is it, Shane? Y'all drove 16 hours to here and you got 16 to go?
Yes, sir. Perfect halfway spot.
Perfect halfway spot. This racetrack is pretty dang cool. Kind of made famous a little bit in the last few years by Street Outlaws, obviously. Kind of home to the OKC. But, well, I was going to say we're going to do something they didn't do, and that's burn a little nitro, but we're going to burn some nitro. Throttle Wack coming up.
Yes, sir.
I like the Throttle Wacks.
Me too.
All right, we're going to start this thing up, make a little racket, show these cool people from Schluter Systems some nitro. I love it. Nitro Throttle Wacks. Let's go. I'm gonna tell y'all I had a camera going to watch y'all jump.
I'm just trying.
That will be in this week's YouTube video. Love Throttle Wacks. I know y'all do too. It's Vegas, baby. We are here. It's Thursday. We're in OKC a couple days ago. Now we've rolled in here. 2 races to go. We can try and move ourselves up, which is the plan. Not sure how far up we can get. Mathematically, we still have a chance, but a lot of crazy things would have to happen for that to happen to be the champ. But Power Edge car this weekend looks good. I like it. All right, I'm gonna get my work done and we'll check in a bit.
He drove around him just past 1,000 foot. So I got distracted for a second watching this display.
One of my favorite things about coming here is you're getting an air show at the same time you get in a drag race. It is Friday. We'll be stomping on that loud pedal, doing a little qualifying here in a little while. Nellis Air Force Base across the street over there. This is home of the U.S. Air Force Thunderbirds. I have a big fondness for them because several years ago I actually got to take a flight. Incredible. One of these days we'll talk about that flight I made with the Thunderbirds. Unreal. Friday, Vegas, let's go. Warmed up, ready to go. Vegas Q1 coming up. Pretty hot out, the sun's out. It'll be a little tricky, but all good. Let's see what this thing will do. Right here, stop on that loud pedal. Anything is possible because Josh has somehow paid off. All right, here we go, Bob. Okie dokie. What up, brother?
That was all right.
Put a hole out.
Yeah. Third overall.
Okay, kiddos. We run alongside Tony Stewart. We're 387, 269. Looking early, we were 855, 216, 306, 279. Cylinder out. Jesse hit the button, but that's okay. That's a pretty dang good run. I have no idea what nobody else is doing. At this point, it doesn't matter. We're racing ourselves. Trying to get the best qualifying spot we can get. 87 at 269 is pretty good. I mean, for 7 cylinders, not bad. We'll get it ready for the next one. Kind of nice doing a warm-up with, a service with no issues, right?
It's great.
The blower was on it when we come back.
Yeah. Definitely nice.
Yeah.
I mean, the first warm-up wasn't great, but well, the warm-up was fine. After the warm-up, we had a little bit of an issue.
All
Came
good.
back clean after the run. That's what's way more important.
Yep. Didn't even make a full run and we're number 5.
Yeah. Can't complain about that.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
If only we could get him to do anything other than gripe.
Yeah. I agree. Probably about to start.
Yeah. Yeah.
Probably gonna start yelling at Shane.
It's always Shane.
Well, I always wanted to see her do good.
Nice and smooth again too. 377, 331. We'll take that. We were number 5 going into that session. We will not stay number 5. I know Langdon went 71. But we'll take it. Clean and dry right down the racetrack. All good. Let's go. That's almost spooky looking. Kind of crazy. Obviously back at the hotel. 2 good, solid, clean runs today. We end up in the 8th spot. And we will look to improve tomorrow. Car was slow in the 60-foot on the second run. Anyway, we'll get that all figured out. It was a good day, y'all. 2 nice, clean runs. Tune in tomorrow and let's see what happens. It's Vegas, baby. Let's go. Appreciate you guys watching, like, and subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.